team communication in the information security industry doesn't have to be super complicated. Here, I've leveraged Monday.com to assign teams and controls to massively communicate and manage projects without having to write an email or get confused about the scope or the boundaries. So what we see here is a risk management team, who's on the team, the status of what they're doing, and the primary controls that they're responsible for. Additionally, we also have the related controls. Great. What I could do here is look at the MITRE ATT&CK framework and understand where something is happening on the cybersecurity risk management framework, right? I can dive in, I can communicate with this team at scale. I can understand what they're responsible for, their work roles, and if I had a question about their work role, I could open it up and I have the discussion. I also can see if they're supporting director objectives. I have their identity access management number here. I have what primary control, the priorities, what the status is, what system they're assigned to, if any other people on call, and additionally here, I can push alert and send an alert to the appropriate channels that something is happening and provide the contextual information, roles, and define our start time. So let's go ahead and do incident management. And here we go. We're going to send the alert. If you want to see how this works tomorrow, follow along for more.